I pulled up to the little shop and asked the dude if he could tighten it up. You tighten it up, shit. So I'm about to bless him with this bad boy. This bad boy McCoy. It's a real snap-on too. I think it's 90. That might be 92 teeth. But yeah. Oh, fuck, I missed. I missed! I missed! Man, bless his boy up with this pipe one time. Let's see. Whew, here you go, my man. All yours. Yeah, I think I bought that for like $2 something or something. I don't know.
Cheap.
Yeah, I mean, who comes to your shop? What's his name?
Aaron.
Oh, the one that came to my shop was Mike. Mike and his dad.
Oh, okay, I know you're talking
Yeah,
about.
the big guy.
Keith?
I don't know, is that his dad's name?
Keith, yeah.
I don't know, but he's mean. Nobody likes him.
He's not even a Snap-on dealer anymore.
Oh, no? Oh, shit.
His dad passed away.
Oh, damn. Ain't that something? Damn. Oh, shit. Hope he's doing good. Shit. But yeah, that's all yours.
Thank you.
Yeah. At least it'll be put to good use up in here.
Yeah.
Yeah, all right, man. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. All right, now let's go to Ace Hardware or something like that. One of them Jones. To get some type of exhaust hanger or something. What is this nigga doing? Going the wrong way on the highway. Bang, bang, bang. Looking at us. Hey, we just gonna get all type of oh, you know what? I gotta go way up there. My Cheyenne or something. I smell that out there, where are you? Damn, this shit's so goddamn loud. Ah! Alright, we got Ace. Now let's just see what the fuck we can find. Let me see. What can I get? Let me see. Let's just find something. Smooth.
Batteries
Like my eyes. Oh, let me get one of these. While I look around. Hello, try this one. All right, thank you. All right. I mean, it look all right. It look clean. I don't like how it's too close to the goddamn tailpipe. That's what I kind of don't like. I mean, yeah. I'm like I got closer to that motherfucker. Alright, so we leaving Ace Hardware, you feel me? Leaving Ace Hardware with the goods. So hopefully some of these things. See, I got like some type of C-clamp, 2-hole strap or some crap. I got some more of these. Hopefully this will be small enough for the exhaust. And something like this, you feel me? We gotta make shift something that hang this exhaust more firmly. So yeah, but in other ways, I mean, it look good. Sure. So I did end up getting it to work. You know, I'm gonna get it done one way or the other. You feel me? So yeah, we got it actually mounted behind this peg where the brake reservoir sits. Not the reservoir, but the brake cylinder. It's connected pretty much right there. There's a bolt that goes in from the opposite side. We got that thing bolted right up in there. I got a longer bolt, about like an inch. Bolted right up in there, and we good. You feel me? I went to Ace Hardware and got some different brackets, whatever you call these, springs. About like 4 different sizes. See which one fits the best. So I got that just in there, keep it from shooting out, keep it more secure. And it came with this little thing, exhaust clamp. So yeah, that's on there. And yeah, I put everything back on. Everything is back to stock pretty much as far as plastic goes. So this is for a Gixxer 1000, so that's why it's not really, you feel me, in there how it's supposed to be. But you can tell it's like a little gap right here and everything, but it's on there. Look at that, shaking the whole bike. It's not moving at all. I guess you want a little wiggle, but not too much, and this doesn't have no wiggle at all, really. I guess a little bit. I mean, it's fine for now. And it's not touching the tire, not close to the tire at all. So before how I had it hooked up, it was literally like 1 inch away from the tire. So now I got it a good 2 inches, 2.5 inches away. So yeah. And this boy shoot flames. I was on this thing last night. Oh, wow, pow, wow, pow. I looked down, did it again. Wow, pow, shoo. Flame came out. I said, oh, baby boy. But yeah, I mean, it's fucking loud. I kind of don't like it being that loud, but hey, whatever. I like the pops and bangs and stuff. I'm about to wear earplugs. I'm riding with this because this shit that's how loud it is. I'm like, oh yeah. But other than that, I'm gonna buy a new foot peg because this shit's all bent up. And what else? It sucks that they don't make aftermarket rear sets for this bike, which is kind of whack, but whatever. But yeah, other than that, this is the final results, the final product. I'll show y'all from the other side. Oh, these bad boys? Oh, don't be jealous. You know what it do. Ah, shit. I was twisting my goddamn ankle. Yep. You can see. But yeah, other than that, we golden. And that's it.